how to use vehicle motion cues on your iPhone. So simply open your system settings, and once you are here, scroll down and open the accessibility. And the next step is to open motion. Now you want to find show vehicle motion cues. Now it's turned off. Simply turn it on or set it to automatic. And when this is turned on, the dots will display until you turn them off. If you click on automatic, your iPhone will detect if you are in vehicle and moving, otherwise this feature will not be shown. So using this feature, dots will appear near the edges of your iPhone screen, and it may help reduce motion sickness. So you can enable it here, or you can also just slide down to open your control center. Press and hold the empty space and add a control and search controls. Type here cues and find vehicle motion cues. And as you can see, the option is here. And if you click on this option, you can turn on or turn off vehicle motion cues in your control center. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.